Who cares anymore if these people lie on their sauce? Of course, we want them to be honest, but are they really? Even the holiest of them all sa Senado ngayon, one of their founders, yung pinakawalang bahid ng korupsyon at pagsisinungaling o paglilinlang, si Risa Hontiveros, has filed a questionable sauce maybe at least once in her life. And it was reported in detail by no less than PCIJ. In 2009 daw, she declared a net worth of 4.9 million pesos with only 140,000 pesos in cash at may utang o bayarin worth 7 million pesos. In 2010, nung tumakbo siyang senador, she said she spent 2.4 million of her own money sa kampanya niya. So, ibig sabihin, 2.5 million pesos na lang dapat ang net worth niya. Between 2010 and 2012, sabi ng PCIJ, she had no documented full-time employment or steady source of income. But in her 2013 sauce, she said she spent 8.8 million pesos of her own money sa kanyang kampanya. Ibig sabihin, somehow, nakapag-produce siya ng 5.5 million pesos more than her remaining assets from 2010 without any visible income source. May attachment pa ang sauce na yan. Di umano. Yung personal na gastos niyang yan, inutang niya from 9 individuals. 8.86 billion pesos in total. Inutang di umano sa mga kasamahan niya sa civil society that I can only assume hindi rin naman ganun mayayaman. Nagrarally nga dahil mahirap daw sila. Diba? Walang may alam kung paano nila na-afford magpautang kay Risa. Dalawa pa daw doon, graduate students na wala namang full-time jobs. Baka naman kasi ganyan lang nila talaga kamahal si Risa. Nagmimilagro sila for her. At partida pa, single mom siya niyan with 4 children at sinugal niya talaga ang umutang ng 8.8 million pesos para sa kanyang kampanya. And why not? Baka sakaling manalo na, right? And the rest is history. I mean, look at her now. 11 years later. 11 years after niyang mangutang ng 8.8 million pesos, she is now worth 18.99 million pesos. Who cares anymore if these people lie on their sauce? Of course, we want them to be honest, but are they really?